In a scaling business, every financial decision matters. One key metric often overlooked is your debt ratio, an essential benchmark for understanding your financial stability and growth potential. Debt ratio measures the proportion of your assets financed by debt. By benchmarking it against industry standards, you can determine whether your leverage supports sustainable growth or exposes you to unnecessary risk. Take this $20 million manufacturing company as an example. They discovered their debt ratio was higher than their industry average, which raised red flags with lenders and stakeholders. By using industry-specific benchmarks, they optimized their debt-to-equity ratio, secured better financing terms, and invested in new production lines, all while reducing financial risk. Within 2 years, they scaled revenue by 30%, improved profitability, and maintained healthy financial leverage, all thanks to strategic decisions driven by benchmarking their debt ratio. At DataPilot.ai, we provide the insights you need to benchmark KPIs like debt ratio, so you can scale smarter, grow faster, and lead with confidence. Ready to unlock your growth potential? Start your benchmarking journey with DataPilot.ai today.